We have two different personalities. You with your curly hair
That's
and I
right.
with my straight hair.
My god. Tomorrow going straight hair?
I don't know if I should go for straight hair. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! It's a girls' night. For tonight, I'm gonna bring you guys along on what stupid shits we do. We literally just shower, nothing else. Tonight is a very short night. I'm not gonna do anything.
Yep.
We're gonna watch movie.
Yep.
We're gonna go makan now. But the best part of eating is that we will walk to the restaurant.
Oh my god, I'm so
it,
excited.
you're not tired?
No.
Okay.
It's so near that I'm like, oh, here only the restaurant.
Yeah, it's very near. It's super near. It's so fun because now it's like gonna rain. The air is so cold. Okay, let's go eat.
Jom.
And this is the time where like
No.
electric. Oh my god. What the fuck? Good morning. Look at us in our floral little dress.
Ta-da!
All late for the event.
As usual.
As usual, we are late for the event, but oh my god, look at my feet, guys. Wait, I need to work on my camera holding, but wait. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Oh.
And look at how Harvina looks like. Oh my gosh, she looks so adorable. Okay, yeah, we don't praise each other like that.
We are like, duh.
Like, okay, girl. Okay, slay, girl. That's all. Okay. But yeah, now we are gonna quickly take a grab and pick up our car because we are gonna rent a car for like 2 days. Because either of us bitch has car. Like,
Yep.
so we need to go get a car. And then we will be heading to the event. Captured that! I should have captured that. Can you repeat? Please.
That's why I'm not a guy because I can't find hole.
Yeah, she's trying to find holes in
Yeah,
her
I can't
second
find it.
earring. Come, let me put it for you. Jesus Christ. I can be a guy.
Oh,
I'll find
yeah,
holes
good.
easily. Let's not do this. Like so girly, I can't even. Like our boyfriend would appreciate us dressing up like this.
Yeah, correct.
We rather than like jeans and shirt. But girl, we look cute either way. Okay, let's go. Because like we are very damn late. It's like 10:13. We have to be there at 10:30.
Wow.
Oh, we need to book Grab.
Paul Walker.
No, we need to book Grab to take to a
Oh
car.
shit. Okay, now we go. Where are we?
Now we want to discover where's the car. Struggle, we had to connect a freaking Bluetooth to this car.
My god.
But we successfully did it. Oh, me. Okay, now we have to ride back. So I don't know if you guys can stay there. Nah, you guys can never stay there. Let me try. What a very nice view. I'll just come back to you guys once I reach there. Okay, we are here. Like and now I'm gonna be 1 hour late. Please forgive us. We are very late.
Jam, not our fault.
Yeah, it is super jam. It was like what, 30 minutes.
Oh wait, let me take a photo of where we are.
But now we are in IOI City Mall. I have tried that before. I love that.
Yes. This one we carry the refill pack already. 50 ml of the refill pack.
Okay.
Same with the...
Who's here? I'm vlogging more than recording content for the last day. Say hi, Kavito.
Hi.
Our lighting is like suck here. Let's go out.
Yeah, let's go.
And we just had the scalp analysis. Damn, girl. She needs some fixing. I want to take video. Today we came in for the most powerful duo event with the most powerful duo. We left lah. It should be powerful trio. Another one girl is missing. Are you gonna post photo here? I don't know if I want to post photo here.
I am okay to go. I just don't want to be here. But we look so cute. I mean, this lighting is gorgeous. Okay, yeah, we need to find H&M and I want to go and makan. I'm so hungry.
Where?
I want to makan.
Oh, Victoria's Secret is up.
I mean, ask the boss. The boss is my friend actually. IOI City Mall boss.
Oh yes, yeah. That's why I got best friend like that today.
Section.
Khesyinii been bullying me the whole day. I don't want to friend her anymore.
Go on, go on. Later, I want to
Bye.
see who else your friend. So now we need to find the dress. Lonely. Be in H&M.
He helped me spot US
I think it's in basic. Oh my god, why does this all look so good?
Guys, show me.
I hate this. Where's the dress? Huh? Where do you think they got the dress? Huh? Big, yeah. Why is it so big here? It should be in the basic area, like something like this.
Kind of.
In here, we saw a cute bikini. It was in gold and bronze, but not today. I have to control myself. To see monkey if have anything or not. I saw that red dress there. It's so
That's
cute.
why.
Maybe they have that in black. That would be cute.
Inshallah. Yeah, correct.
Monkey too. So let's just go and makan.
Hungry.
Yeah, so hungry. Hello, my beautiful people. I'm back home.
I'm back home.
Okay, now we're gonna unbox what we got from L'Occitane. Pronounce it?
L'Occitane.
Oh my god, she got it right.
I'm like, L'Occitane. Don't know where the O came from.
Oh my god, we got some full sizes. What's this?
Scalp Night Serum.
Oh, this is the one they give us.
Yeah, okay.
What's this?
Purifying Facial.
Dry shampoo.
Okay, this is
I
good.
wanted to try dry
This is
shampoo,
good.
but I don't know. But this one looks. This? Oh, I can try it on my hand.
On
now.
your hair, yeah.
It smells so good though.
Is
That's
it?
the oil, I think.
Okay. Yeah, this is
What's that? Shower oil. Oh, this is the shower oil.
shower oil. That one we should. When she put it on our hands,
And
it's
this,
like
I've
amazing.
gonna try this before. This is dope.
It's amazing.
They should actually come up with a lot of travel size skincare. Because,
Correct.
like, you know, girls go on a holiday. Like, what holiday?
like
what?
we're going for holiday, so we need it.
Mm.
Are you gonna vlog for our holiday, Khesyinii?
Yeah, I am. Because, like, I need to give them a lot of things. I miss vlogging so much. You guys, like, this is my third vlog. I haven't edited 2 vlogs previously.
I'm here, you know, you can use my phone to edit.
Okay, gently massage the product. Leave on for a few minutes until hair no longer looks wet. Then brush out. I'm gonna try that right now. Let's zoom into my scalp. Let's see if it works. Until it dries. Let's wait until it dries out. And then they gave us few other samples, which is so adorable. Thank you, L'Occitane, so much. And even this shampoo. Cute. Love you guys so much. Excited to try this scalp serum for the night time. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, see whether this works tomorrow. So, because usually all the hair serum makes my hair oily other than coil. Coil is more like a soak in and wash off type of hair product. But I'm excited to try this because this is more to like just let it be there. Let's see if this makes our hair oily tomorrow. Okay, we just took some Polaroid photos of us. It's so cute.
So cute.
Let me show you guys. You want the cuter one? Okay, I'll keep the rest. Rest is so cute for me.
You
so.
keep the rest, I'll keep the last one.
Like, oh my god, this is a vibe. Okay, change first.
Yeah, don't show me yet.
Okay. Like, okay, so now we're gonna go and create content. Just look at my outfit. I'm so cute. This is so adorable. So adorable.
Oh
We
my
just
God.
created one content which were that we get ready So yeah, now we are gonna go and create some content, some fashion content with this outfit. I love these red socks. What a view. But it's so cute. Okay guys, you guys should definitely try get colorful socks. Okay, look at her, so cute. Versus me,
So cute.
okay.
What
let's just
versus
go and
me are these?
let's just go and create content. In the lift, literally. See, you can see you. After, what do we call it? A year later.
We are
So
dead tired.
So tired, but I couldn't get my perfect photo, which is totally fine. I'll get it on another time because the lighting sucks. But look at us, we match. We cicak kobeng now, like black and
We are
white.
so comfortable.
Yeah, I'm gonna like maybe remove my makeup and go and run some errands.
Same.
But before that, I want to go and eat the food. Just now I eat. Hungry. Forgot to bring my camera, but it's okay. Let's go. The fact we already makan. Now I want to go Bangsa to get my trading done. And then I want to go and pick up my clothes from the tailor. And then we can come back and we can binge watch Netflix.
Yes, and you can pack.
Yes, while packing. No lipstick. We are so tired, okay? Adulting. At last, I taken the dress that was here since last year, November. Because it's so far that I really hesitated. But let's put the barang and then go get something to eat. Oh, you wanna go there? Rock Cafe? You see where you wanna eat? So tired, we came all the way to Subang to makan. She brought me to her restaurant. Big Sing Chapati. Let's see how is the roti here, the biryani here. Okay, I have no time to talk to y'all because I want to badal. I'm very hungry.
We scan. We back. Oh. As much as I want to end the vlog here, I can't.
Because tomorrow there's one more day. I'm gonna bring you guys along.
Why?
Hello.
What's up, everybody?
Okay, let's have a Q&A.
Okay.
What do you think having me as your friend who vlogs every single shit?
The best.
Oh my god. Okay guys, we are gonna binge watch Netflix. We're gonna watch, what is it? One day. How many episodes is it? 3, yeah?
Quite a lot, but never. We just watch until by
We'll
weekend.
watch and then we're gonna KO because like our body can't take it anymore. Today was like a very long day because we woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning. And I'm waiting for my clothes in the washing machine to be washed. I'm gonna hang it and I'm gonna watch the Netflix series and knock the shit out. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning and yeah, I'll just continue vlogging tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys after I wake up. Good morning. The next day, guys. I told y'all I'm only gonna talk to y'all after I sleep. And yeah, here I am. We all getting ready now. Say hi, Harina.
Hello.
We're getting ready to 2 events now. We have one Wanderlust. If you guys know Wanderlust, they opened so many branches in KL, all over Malaysia, and they even opened one in Singapore, and I'm so excited for them. And today we are going to celebrate Women's Day with them. And also before that, I'm gonna go Joya Lucas to quickly record some videos, and I'll bring you guys along. Chic shack shook, chic shack shook. Okay, we are all ready. I want to show you guys my outfit.
It's so adorable. It's from Love Bonito. The best part of this outfit is it has pockets. Chic, shack, shook. Chic, shack, shook. See Harvina's outfit. Ta-da! Don't you imagine?
I'm addicted to the song. I need to get it out of my head.
Okay, I'm gonna vlog in my phone because my camera has no memory and I didn't bring my extra SD card, or to be honest, I didn't buy any extra SD card. So time to buy some new SD cards because I'm vlogging very often.
Can I take a video?
But let's get out of the house now because like we are late, we are hungry, we are hangry. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I am back at my home after sending my best friend. No, please, you guys there. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have so much things to do after this, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. But if you guys really loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below what type of video do you guys want next. Like any type of video, just comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.